So hi guys, it's on Saturday today and I wanted to do an unboxing, a major unboxing with you guys. It's a major one for me because it's something that I've been wanting for the longest time and I finally got it. Let me tell you, I told you I get so excited when I buy things to do with, like, let me call them appliances, not even electronics. So yeah, they really are, like, it's a big thing for me whenever I buy an appliance. So I got one. I feel nice because let me tell you, I have like this whole list of appliances. So anytime I get to take on one, you can imagine. So let me show you. Then here's what I got. It's a coffee maker, an espresso coffee maker. It actually now makes sense to have these as a backup product because let me tell you, this coffee maker, I haven't yet unboxed it, but I've read the manual. One thing, it has like, it's got the same what, yeah, the caffeine function of it is the one that operates on steam, like it steams the milk. You get it? Yeah. So for me, I'm pretty scared of burns for sure. Like, see this burn, this casca over here. Yeah, it's a burn from smokies. Imagine I was making smokies and then the oil just splashed and got onto my skin. So I'm really scared of burns, honestly. So before I like master the courage to use this flooding system of the coffee maker or machine, I think this will come in handy. Yeah. So I'll definitely get to try it with you guys and then we'll see if it's worth buying or equal to. Yeah. So let me unbox. You see how it looks like. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like. So, I think I'll do an up close. I'll show you when I touch my camera. It's not that big, actually. Like, I love this size. Am I supposed to move this thing? Honestly, I don't understand it as much. But kujiaminia, there's always a first time for everything. But, oh, let me get more Kenya. Here's the more Kenya. Because here's the measuring spoon. Let me unbox. Vile zimefungwa yawa. Wataki jokes. The spoon is plastic. This is 1 cup. Yes, perfect. Plastic. The steam function. Supposed to be detachable. I know for sure. So let's see. So you can detach these. Don't break it, honestly. Oh yeah, there goes. Yeah. So remember when I complained about my socket issue? Honestly, I want to see if this is long enough to extend all the way. So guys, let me give you an up close. Here's how it looks. Like you've already seen, this is detachable. So once you remove it, So it looks, you can also like remove this. Then it has this on and off, this 1 cup, 2 cup coffee button, and then here's the steam button. I love the colors, silver and black. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure this thing out. I don't know which is which. I don't know if they are two. Each has a function. I can only see them describing this one. So I don't know. Does this go here? You know what? Actually, it's a JB shade. Yeah, so I'll figure out. So I want to remove this air fryer. Put this on the corner there, at the corner, and then see if it will get all the way here. Yeah, so let me do that. So guys, the cable is long, yes, as you can see, but I feel like it's training. I don't know how to show you there, but also like in this position, the machine is not stable, like in a slide. So I'm making toast. I'm using the BB toast bread to fry them. Yeah, I'll be using this Prestige margarine. If you have butter, you can use that. I am preparing this to using the vegetable oil. It tastes way much better. So.
My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing no wisdom. My tears like rain run down the window. I repeat your name, losing no wisdom.
Hi guys, I managed to wake up at 8. It's currently 8:38. Is this thing losing focus? It's currently 8:38. Let me tell you, it's all in your head. Mindset. Anyway, I hope I can stick to it. I'm showing you these things because I want to plug you on this festive pound cake. If you're into pound cakes, you should really try these. I feel like the base of the cake is the same, so you just have to choose the flavor that you love. I've tried three. I showed you chocolate in my last in a previous vlog, and then I've also tried what was that other flavor? Honestly, I've forgotten. And then the blueberry. So it all depends on the flavor you love. This is so nice. Then I bought milk. I have fresher long life, and then fresher the poach one. Then this one because I wanna try it. From Mount Kenya milk. Then this Naivas wholemeal bread. Yeah, I was missing brown bread. Like I feel like my era of unhealthy stuff has come to an end. This was the last thing I wanna take that is super unhealthy, and I mean like in a continuous manner. So I wanna go back to oats and stuff. But once in a while, yeah, I can pop those in. Then I bought like a toothbrush. Pepsodent. This was going for 59 bob. It looks small, but I wanna see if I can give Pepsodent a chance. Then I got baby a soap dish. Very minimal, yeah. That's it. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is I turned off my fridge. Who's telling me why I'm gonna let a fridge that is so empty keep on running? Like the freezer part has nothing. Um, the fridge part is so. Let me remove this. It is so empty. I actually wanna throw stuff away now. I only have like 4 eggs, this mustard, then this cheese that has been here for forever. Well, it's time to let go, honestly. Then this even off. Like, what am I holding on to? Yeah. So it actually didn't make sense to let this run. Like, I felt like it was consuming too much power when I only like put in a few items. So until I can be able to like really restock this one, it's gonna be empty for a while. Yeah, the other thing is this karak that I'm yet to wipe down. It was also empty. Why do I not have groceries in this house? I only have only a sad situation, but for the fridge, honestly, yeah, it's off. It didn't make sense. It didn't make sense at all. So that's all I wanted to show you.
So later in the day, I decided to deep clean my kitchen, mostly the kitchen cabinets and also the fridge. Yeah, so for the kitchen cabinet, I used vinegar. Like I added vinegar to just some plain water. That is what I used. I didn't prefer to use the kitchen cleaner because it usually has like a scent. Um, the scent is not that disturbing, but I don't like it. I don't like it as much. So I didn't prefer it for the kitchen cabinet. And then, yeah, so basically that was it. Why did I use it? I only used it for the countertops and the tiles, the wall tiles. Honestly, it does a very good job when it comes to the tiles. Yeah.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but we're getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Last night, you can't do it peacefully. We won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, no, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.